a crisp yet sunny Lincolnshire afternoon. I'm recording this short video to introduce our annual Christmas competition to you. Most of you will know and have seen in previous years we've given away sausage stuffers, cold smoking kits, meat slicers, mincers, an array of stuff. This year we've got something very different. It's related to pigs obviously, but it's not pork related. A company called Contented Products, who make eco-friendly style products, have a product called the Aardvark XL Farrowing Ark, and that's what's up for grabs. There's a link below here that you can click on so you can see all the information about that product, but that's yours to win, delivered to your door at no cost to yourself, to the lucky winner of this year's Christmas competition. And this all starts on the 1st of December. There'll be 15 questions that run on a daily basis. I'll be posting them out at 9 AM every weekday morning between now, the 1st of December, and the 21st of December, with the hashtag OSBPG XMAS Comp 2023. You'll have a daily question to answer. They're all kind of based around the sort of dingbatty style questions, and I'll give you an example of that. So this example here is the word wish written above a picture of a star. So the answer to that phrase would be wish on a star, or wishing on a star. So that's the kind of style I'm going for this year. Some will be slightly different, a little bit more complicated than others, but I think I'm starting off quite easy on you this year. But it will get a little bit more difficult. So every now and then I'll post a summary video summarising the questions so far, giving you them all in one place, as it were, although you can search using the hashtag OSBPG XMAS Comp 2023 on our social media platforms, and you'll find all the questions there. So the last question will come out on Thursday the 21st, where entries will be available. I'll provide details on that nearer the time, but it'll be an entry on our website where you can submit your answers to all the questions. And it works as it's always worked in previous years. If we have more than one entry with all the correct answers, or equal number of correct answers, we'll use our wheel of names to spin to pick the winner randomly from those that entered and got it all correct. So competition entries will close on Saturday the 23rd of December at 23:59, and we will announce the winner on our social media platforms at 9 AM on Christmas Eve. So without further ado, here is question 1. Well, there you go. That's the kickstart for this year. I hope you're pleased with what we've, as a charity, what we've managed to get for you this year from Contented Products as a prize to the competition. I hope that inspires everyone to, take part. I may even drop a few subtle clues along the way, or some of the more difficult questions, so keep an eye on the social media groups and any posts that might come from me. All right, good luck, and I'll speak to you soon.